like a nubbin.
A what?
A nubbin.
A nubbin?
Yeah, a nubbin.
What's a nubbin?
A nubbin.
Hi, I'm
Hi.
Tiffany.
I'm Melissa.
You have beautiful hair. You do.
No, it doesn't
Oh,
feel like
you're
it. It's
super
always
fine.
been fine. Even when I was
Okay.
little, it was baby
Okay.
fine. My main issue is always breakage. It'll go to about here and then people will say, cut it, cut it. It'll get like really strong when you keep cutting it. It'll take 18 months to get longer and it just always breaks at the ends.
What hairspray are you using, and do you curl a lot?
I usually curl like every other day. The red, big and bold.
Because that will make it really, because I can feel a little bit, that might be also what's contributing to breakage. Would be the heat and the hairspray combined. I would like to see you switch up your hairspray to something a little less intense that's not going to dry it out as much. Talk to me about what bothers you the most about your hair.
The lack of volume from here down. If I put it together, it's basically a 2-year-old's little ponytail. It's like a nubbin. I have a nubbin.
A what?
A nubbin.
A nubbin?
Yeah, a nubbin.
What's a nubbin?
Like a little baby pigtail. A nubbin.
Like a nub?
Yeah, it's like a little nubbin.
A nubbin.
It's a nubbin.
That's so cute. Wait, is that from
Australia.
They say in Australia? Okay. A little nubbin. So cute. Do you like the length at where it's at right now?
I would like it a little longer just because it always gets to here and that's it.
Okay. What about your color?
I like a lived-in natural blonde.
Oh, you have like such a good base. Like natural color is beautiful. I think what I would love to see is a little more brightness here.
I would love that.
Ever had extensions before? No?
This would be the first time.
You could really go sew-ins or tape Wefts. Do you have something in mind that has like kind of sparked your interest?
I was always thinking tape just because I don't think I have the density to support it.
I feel like everybody knows I love tape Wefts. Everybody knows they're like my favorite. If you have fine hair, I love tape Wefts. You do have this growth pattern here.
Nice cowlick at the back. Yeah.
So the cool part about tapes that I do love is that we can maneuver them around where we want them to be. Now I have this other idea. Do you want to be a little bit brighter down here?
It can be, yeah.
Okay. In here, okay, this is pretty much like where she's at right now. But if we popped in some bright pieces, I want this in here. Oh, sorry, here I am like smacking people. Yeah. Oh, today, governor. I learned what a nubbin was.
What is that?
It's a nub. I think I only need one thing. Want to make her brighter. I don't think I need to do any dark in between at all. I'll do some tip outs. Okay, well I think we only need one thing. Matrix 9 Plus Blonde Max! We need some max lift. And then we'll toner probably. We'll go Sur.Sync or swim. 10p, I think. Sur.Sync or swim! Okay. This is my favorite part, developer. Just wait. I want to eat it. Look at it. It looks like yogurt.
So what if you use Sunkissed, but do like some, she said summer K-tips around their place?
I just told her she was getting tape Wefts. Haley always coming in, just wrecking my vibe.
She's like, actually do this.
Fun. Let's just make Tiff's life rough.
She's like,
Fine, I'll do it.
pressure.
Love you, bye.
It's finally about
I love the me era. What is my mom doing? What are you doing? Hi, Mom. Do you want to get your hair done?
Always.
Well, how much time do you have?
I have no schedule.
Oh, good. Sit down. August 6th. No, it's August. I've been away from my kids that long. I thought. One, two, three. Open your eyes.
Holy crap. Oh my goodness. This is way more than what I ever expected. That made me cry.
Oh, welcome.
That's beyond my wildest dreams. Thank you.
You're so welcome. You look
Ay, ay,
absolutely
ay.
stunning.
You can't even see where it starts and where it finishes.
No. Christian Michael Hair Extensions tape wefts, okay, in the color Sunkissed. Look, they're right in here. Then I went in and I did K-tips, and I used She Said Summer 2.0, and those are in there.
Are they dark or are they light? Which one is
They're
it?
they're blended.
So cool.
Oh my God, this is beautiful. Wait till you see the video I took of the back. Like, it is stunning. I wanted to give a super special thank you to Matrix for partnering with me on this video. You guys, I am obsessed.